Groups are another way of organising data in CKAN, and they're most commonly used to categorise thematically related datasets. This is different to organisations, which usually represent a ministry or a department within the government or organisation that runs that specific CKAN portal. Organisations is also where you manage user rights. I talk about organisations in another video, available at vidirum.com/help. So, groups. These are just for organising and curating datasets. I think the best way to explain this is by saying that whereas a dataset might belong to several groups, it can only ever be published by a single organisation. Some typical group names might be agriculture, education, environment, or infrastructure, for example. So I'm now going to show you how to create and delete groups, and also what a group administrator can do. So to create a new group, we'll go to Groups, and we'll click Add Group. Now we'll enter a name, for example, Transportation, and you'll see that a URL is created automatically. A short description is normally a good idea, as it helps your users understand what the group is about. And then finally, we will provide a graphic, usually an icon of some kind, which visually represents the content of the data in that group. So, for example, a bus for transportation group. And you can either provide a link to an external resource or upload an image from your computer. So we'll click Create Group, and we're done. You can also add custom fields to your group if you want to refine your catalogue system. Whilst in Group View, click Manage and enter a key and a corresponding value. So we could have year and 2016. And in this view, you can also rename the group and change all the other properties. Click View if you've decided not to save your changes. Otherwise, click Update Group. Now, go to Dataset and add any dataset you'd like to add to that group. Go to the Groups tab and select the group to which you want to add the dataset to. And we'll click Add to Group. And the dataset is in the group. You can add one dataset to as many groups as you like. You just follow the same procedure. Select the group and click Add to Group. To delete a group, we'll select Groups in your main menu, click the group you want to delete, and then click Manage. And then we'll click one more time on this red delete button and confirm. The dataset's not affected, it just loses the connection to the group. Your group has its own activity stream and lists all events such as when new datasets are added or when the properties have changed. To have a look at your stream, go to your group page and click on the tab for Activity Stream. I hope this has been helpful. You can find more CKAN tutorials at vidirum.com/help.